Okay, so we're going to differentiate here the first one, okay, and it's a logarithmic function. So remember, always write them so y equals, so it's a y function in terms of x, so you can get then dy dx, and remember of course ln is always 1 over, so it'll be 1 divided by, that, and then you've got to times it by then the derivative in here, yeah, because it's a function of a function. Ln is always 1 over it, but times it by the derivative in there. So when you differentiate there, you get 7, and differentiate this, you get minus 8x. Don't forget then, of course, put a bracket around here, because you times in that fraction by all of this here, so put a bracket there, and then you can put that on the top, okay? So we get 7 minus 8x over 8 plus 7x minus 4x squared. Okay, with the second one, again, y equals 2. Well, it is a function of a function because you've got cube root, okay, with the function inside. I'm not going to put a bracket around it like they've got there, but having said that, maybe that's a bit of a clue for you to realise you need to write it in terms of a bracket. So cube root means power third, yeah? So when we differentiate them, dy by dx, okay, bring that third down. Okay, bring that power down, because it's a function of a function, isn't it? Bring the third down. And then take away 1 from there, so you get minus 2/3. And then you've got to differentiate the inside function. So if you differentiate the inside function, you get minus 18x. We're going to times by that. Okay. Then we'll tidy it up a bit. So the minus can go at the front. 18x can go on the top. On the bottom then, when you've got that 3 there, and we could take that bracket down. And don't forget, it does say simplify as much as possible, so you would lose a mark here if you didn't simplify the fraction there, because 18 over 3 is actually 6, isn't it? 18 divided by 3 is 6. So you get 6x over the bracket there, okay?